Born in South Africa, traveled through Europe, came to Mexico. I'm now a African Mexican, believe it or not. I hold a South African passport and a Mexican passport, and my name is Gavin Greenwood. I didn't have a notion of what Playa del Carmen was. In fact, if I go back to before I came to Mexico, I didn't even know what Mexico looked like when I came here. Not knowing anything about the country, when I flew over Puerto Vallarta and saw the mountains and the palm trees and the great Bahia de Banderas, I was blown away and immediately fell in love with the place. I fell in love with the people, the hospitality, and said to myself, this is where I'm from. I like this place. We initiated a new project, an online tour and activities one-stop shop called All Mexico 365. The All Mexico 365 platform we developed and built to target Americans visiting Mexico. As you know, Mexico remains the #1 travel destination for Americans on vacation. So a typical day again, back to that, a little bit of golf, lots of All Mexico 365, some time with my wife at home, and enjoying the beach, the cenotes, and the surroundings here in Mexico. You know, many people find the language barrier a problem. I found it quite exciting. I wanted to learn. The more I learned, the more I understood, the more I could see, the more I could appreciate. Found the language barrier, I found it an exciting challenge. A lot of expats find the differences in culture the problem. Some of us may be accustomed to very rigid forms of behavior, whereas here it may be a little bit more tropicalized. But again, I haven't found that to be difficult. I found that to be an interesting challenge and one which I've embraced very positively, and I've had no real issues here at all. If you think you've seen everything in Mexico, you're wrong. You may have come to Cancun 20 times, you may have gone to Mexico City, you may have even gone to Cabo, you may have come to Playa del Carmen, Tulum, but there is a massive world out there, many, many destinations, some more popular, some lesser known, but equally beautiful, equally attractive, and safe. And I would strongly recommend that people explore the rest of Mexico and not only the popular coastal resorts that we're all accustomed to and that we love anyway.